If you've got autumn leaves, you're probably wondering what the best thing to do with them is. And the answer's simple. It's to turn them into leaf mould. Leaf mould is nature's compost. And we're going to show you not only how to do it, but we're going to show you a couple of tricks to speed up the whole process. So to start with, we need to reduce the size of the leaves because that's going to make them turn into leaf mould a lot more quickly. And the way we do that is with the lawnmower. We set the lawnmower on its highest height. We've got the catcher on the back. So here's our pile of leaves. We've mown them and mulched them once, and you can see it's reduced greatly in size. We'll do that again and show you the final result. The pile of leaves is a lot smaller than it was. It's now ready to be turned into leaf mould. And there's a few ways you can do this. You can set up a wire pen, about 1 metre by 1 metre, and put all the leaves into that. For this demonstration, we're going to use an old compost bin. The compost bin's simply sitting on the ground. It's in a fairly shady spot, so it's not going to get too hot, and it is winter anyway. We'll take the leaves and we'll fill up the bin. If we just use the leaves, it could take 12 months to 24 months for the leaves to completely turn into leaf mould. But we can speed the process up. The first method is to use some cow manure. And what we do with that is we sprinkle a few handfuls over the top of the leaves as we're putting them in. Every 30 centimetres, put in a layer of cow manure, another layer of leaves, then more cow manure until you get to the top. You can use cow manure or you can use sheep manure. We tend not to use chicken manure as we find that that's a little bit acidic. The second method is to use some vermicast tea. What you're doing there is you're taking a couple of handfuls of vermicast from a worm farm, if you've got one, mix that up in a bucket of water, pour it into a watering can and water that over the top of the leaves. Both of these methods can see you having leaf mould in 6 months to 12 months, which is a lot shorter time frame than most. You do need to make sure that the leaves are kept moist but not wet, and you can simply do that with a watering can every now and then. After 6 months, dive your hand down into the centre of the bin and you'll find out whether it's ready to use or not. If it's not, just leave it for another 3 months or so. So that's it for turning leaves into leaf mould. Leaf mould is a really valuable addition to soils. It's great for amending clay soils. It's excellent in the veggie garden. You can also use it as a mulch around plants, and you can dig it in to the perennial garden or any area where you're planting new plants. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular updates on all aspects of gardening. And if you want more details on making leaf mould, visit the website. And as always, good luck with your gardening.